5. All right, 2 more cups. 2 more of those things. Woo! Oh my God. That was really close. Whoa. We're good.
Hello, I'm Jude, Keester.
And I'm Jared, and welcome to Cooking with the now little Keesters. And what are we going to make today?
Cupcakes.
What kind of cupcakes?
Carrot cupcakes.
First thing we need to do is get 3 cups of grated carrots, but instead of grating them, we are going to juice them. Won't that be great? Have enough cup? We only got 1 more carrot. There we go.
Daddy, stop it!
Can't stop it. I can't stop going once it started. What does it feel like?
Icing. Feels like icing.
Feels like icing? Mm-hmm. We for sure have 3 cups. There's 2 cups right there, and then there's more in there.
Ooh.
Were you just eating off of the juice man there? Okay.
So you got these put in.
It's good.
Mm-hmm.
Carroty.
Wait,
Okay.
I want to try one time.
You want to try one time? Okay. This gets on here somehow. There we go. Yeah. All right.
Totally not the first time you're using it.
Definitely not the first time I'm using this. Nope.
Flour.
Flour. Okay. Hello, hey. What good is that?
I use a half cup. You think you can do that math?
I got it. We need 2 cups, but we're only working with a half cup, which means we need how many of these?
2.
4.
Baking powder.
Yep. You need 2 teaspoons of that. More. Put that right in there. There you go. Dump that in there. Okay, there's 1.
I want to do cinnamon.
You want to do, what is this stuff called?
I want to do cinnamon.
Okay, now careful with that. Yep, right in there. Yep, and we're in.
Why do I have to do this?
You mix it.
Go a little bit faster.
Yeah, like this. There you go.
And very slowly.
Yeah, let's up the speed a little bit.
Harvey.
Daddy.
No more hands in this stuff.
We're good. Chemistry degree.
How many eggs?
4.
Okay, I'm gonna crack them, dude.
There you go. There you go. Open her up in there. Good. Okay.
Ah!
Good. Okay. Now we're gonna blend until it's fluffy. So here we go.
10, 9, 8,
Okay, so we gotta lock it in place. And then hey, look at that, it's mixing. Okay, let's dump that in there.
Yuck!
All right, give me some taps back there. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Add that in. And dial that speed down.
I'll help you.
There we go. Okay. No. The book says to use an ice cream scoop. What do you guys think? Yeah? Okay. Okay, here you go. Here's your scoop.
What?
Oh, sorry. Here you go.
What the heck?
Oh. Here you
No.
go. Wait, what's this?
A chicken monitor.
Okay. What is that?
Clock. Clock.
Okay, so scoop out some of your stuff.
Right. Can't do it.
So I'm gonna turn the oven on to 350 degrees.
Yep. For how long?
That many 25 minutes.
All the way. Yep. Top rack, middle rack. Okay, close it up. Let's add our confectioner sugar into the mixer.
We need to get another cup or that's
Yeah, oh yeah, we're gonna need a lot more cups.
I'm totally covered in that sugar.
Safety tip, you should always have your machine off when you're getting things down from the sides. Always. Even if you think you can do it. It's looking good.
Is there food falling sugar! I see.
Okay. Harvey, how's that going over there? You getting that spatula clean? Ooh, that was a lot of green. There you go. These are in little soy sauce baggy things. Okay.
I
Cool.
wanna do it. I wanna do it.
I feel really good about that icing now. Harvey coughed right into it.
Smell good. Okay. Spicy. Yeah, good. Good job. Look at yours. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's dig into this. Let's see how it tastes. 1, 2, 3. That's pretty good. Thank you so much for watching. To the camera.
Thank you so much for watching.
Oh wait, I wasn't ready. Be sure to like and subscribe. Can you say that? Let's try it.
Thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe.
Be sure to like and subscribe and tune in for more cooking with the
Keesters.
Keesters. Nailed it, guys. That's top notch.
That's a wrap.
That's a wrap. That's a wrap on the carrot cupcakes. We did it, gang. We made those cupcakes. That's pretty cool.
High fives all around.
High fives all around. Up top. Up top.
Down low.
Down low. Down low. In the hole.